The CN Tower in Toronto is an iconic landmark that offers breathtaking views of the cityscape. With a height of 553 meters, it is one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world. The CN Tower is not just a towering structure but also a symbol of Toronto. Its unusual design and modern architecture make it an impressive sight. From the tower's observation deck, visitors can enjoy a panoramic view of the city, offering a stunning landscape. Being a popular tourist attraction, the CN Tower attracts tourists from all over the world who want to enjoy its impressive architecture and panoramic views.